Hello everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you, sa inyo lahat na nakakapanood nitong video na to. We are now live, okay? And we call it, it's a coffee break time. Nasa opisina ka man, nasa bahay ka man, saan mang lupalop ka naroon, narito kami para ipakita sa inyo ang napagandang opportunity at napakadaling negosyo para ikaw ay kumita kahit ikaw ay nagkakape. So this is the coffee break webcast webinar. Papakilala ko lang yung sarili ko. Okay, my name is Herbert Flores. Oops, sorry, no? Hindi po ako yan. So graduate ako ng ECE. And dati rin po akong empleyado. I'm a former senior RF engineer. I'm a brother, a friend, and also an internet marketer or Facebook user na katulad nyo. And also a network marketer. So actually, mahilig din ako matayo ng mga training seminars about personality development, leadership. Okay? At syempre, mahilig din ako mag-relax. So, bago tayo magsimula, pwede ho bang paki-silent mode or paki-turn off ang inyong mga cellphone or paki-log out ang inyong mga Facebook at paki-sara ang inyong mga pinto? Dahil ayaw kung masayang yung pagkakataon na to na mapakinggan yung napakagandang opportunity. Okay? So, kindly open your mind to new ideas. Sit back and relax and pay attention. Okay, you will discover how easy, how simple to make more money while drinking coffee. Ano man yung edad mo, ano man yung estado mo sa buhay, welcome ka po rito. So we are presenting to you our company. It's OrganoGold. We are bringing the treasures of the earth to the people of the world. So ito lang po yung mga updates sa aming company. Okay? So we are so excited na ipakita sa inyo ang aming latest event na ginawa lang nitong October 4 to 6. So ito po ay ginanap sa Mandalay, Las Vegas. Okay? So last year naman nagkaroon din tayo ng event. So actually every year po ito. Every quarter of the year. Minsan 2 beses sa isang taon nagkakaroon kami ng convention. So last year ginanap po yan sa MGM Grandstand, Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. So noong January 6 to 8. At for the first time, okay, yung MGM po napuno po ng OrganoGold at napakarami pong inawardan ng mga Diamond Consultant at mga OG Benz Club na nakakuha ng libreng Mercedes-Benz. At nung taon ding 2012, nagkaroon pa tayo ng isang event na convention, ginanap po yan sa New Orleans, USA. So it's OG Cares. Okay? So ang maganda dito sa OrganoGold, we have the foundation na tumutulong sa mga taong nasalanta ng bagyo or nagkaroon man ng problema. Okay, so dahil po last year sa New Orleans nagkaroon ng napakalaking kalamidad, okay, or yan yung malaking ano po yun, yung bagyo or yung hurricane. Okay, kaya dyan po ginanap yung ating convention na kung saan our first diamond dito sa Philippines, dyan po in-award si Mr. Vic Daganas. At nitong taon lang, itong January, ginanap naman yung ating Project 50,000 sa Houston, Texas, USA noong January 18 to 20. At dito marami din mga in-award ng mga diamonds, consultant at mga binigyan ng mga Mercedes-Benz. Okay? At nitong Mandalay Bay, nitong October 4 to 6, 2013, we are so excited dahil ang Philippines po, okay, we are now creating momentum. So more than 10 diamonds ang in-awardan po dyan sa event na yan. Okay, they are now enjoying the #1 lifestyle in the world, wherein libre po yung trip to US. Okay, so talaga naman kung ikaw magtatrabaho ka na lang din, so dito ka na sa OrganoGold. So our headquarters, Organo Gold International Incorporated, is located at Richmond, Vancouver, Canada. So ito po yung building na yan. Right now is ni-establish na po siya. At ang ating pong main office dito sa Philippines ay located sa One Executive Office Building sa West Avenue, corner Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, or malimit tinatawag nilang Delta. Okay, so yan po yung ating coffee shop, nasa baba, ground floor. At ang ating pong distribution center ay nasa Las Vegas, Nevada sa US. So dito po nanggagaling yung mga products from US. Kung ikaw ay bibili ng aming coffee through our website, so i-deliver din po yan sa inyong mga bahay. So ipapakilala ko naman sa inyo ang aming owner, our CEO, si Mr. Bernie Chua. Okay, ang ating kababayan na successful right now, okay, namamayagpag ang kanyang pangalan dito sa Organo Gold, even worldwide. Okay, so siya po yung nagpakilala ng healthier coffee sa North America, at nakilala niya po doon si Mr. Shane Moran, ang ating Global Master Distributor, at si Mr. Holton Baggs, ang ating Vice President on Sales. Okay, they have the mission, okay, yet powerful. So kanina nabanggit ko na nga, we are bringing the treasures of the earth to the people of the world. At ang good news, okay, this company is not only 1 year, 2 years, okay, their vision, this business, okay, ay binabahagi natin sa ating mga kababayan at sa buong mundo na this business, okay, the only business that you can give to your children's children. Okay, this business is for your children's business. Ang ating pong chairman dito sa Philippines ay si Dr. Virgilio Bautista, isang former president ng University of Baguio, at ngayon po siya po ay isang chairperson for the Regional Development Council sa Cordillera Autonomous Region. Okay, so ngayon ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang listahan ng mga top earner worldwide sa iba-ibang company na pwede nyo itong ma-review. Pumunta kayo sa website na businessforhome.org. So as a review, makikita mo dito yung mga iba-ibang company. So number 1 po dyan ang Amway, more than 50 years na sa industry ng direct selling. Okay, so ang Amway po, ang top earner nila si Mr. Dexter ay kumikita ng $1 million every month noong 2012. So mapapansin nyo dito nasa top 2 si Mr. Holton Baggs na kumikita ng $700,000 noong 2012, wherein ang Organo Gold po ay 4 years pa lang. At nasa top 5 si Mr. Shane Moran na kumikita ng $250,000. At si Jose Sartoras at si Jose Ardon. Okay, so 4 po ang nakapasok from Organo Gold no 2012. So after 1 year, so ito na nangyari sa Organo Gold no March 2013. So nasa number 1 na po si Mr. Holton Baggs na kumikita ng $1.2 million every month. Okay, so in just a period of 5 years, ang Organo Gold po is natalo niya yung mga matatagal na sa industry, okay, ng direct selling or home-based business. Kung makikita nyo, nasa top 3 na lang yung Amway, at nasa number 4 pa rin si Mr. Shane Moran. Jose Ardon, our first crown ambassador, ay kumikita ng $700,000. At nasa number 8 naman si Jan Sartoras. Okay, at isa pa sa ating review ay itong Oftainer, the world most trusted source for direct selling news. Okay, so you can visit oftainer-online.com. So mapapansin mo dyan yung top 5 companies. So number 1 pa rin po ang Organo Gold. Okay, at nasa top list pa rin nila, top income list, si Mr. Holton Baggs. At nasa top 73 po ang ating kababayan na si Miss Lilia Bautista. Okay, at syempre ang ating CEO ay hindi rin magpapahuli dahil nasa top 10 po siya among top 100 companies CEO. Okay, at ang good news, our business is nasa 33 countries na po, at every month dumadami pa po yan. Okay, in just a period of 5 years, nasa 33 countries na tayo at every month may nadadagdag. So nitong June, nadagdag po yung Australia and New Zealand. So we are expecting this October and November, before matapos yung taon na to, marami pang countries yung bubuksan. Ang maganda rito, pagka ikaw naging part ka ng OrganoGold, nasa Pilipinas ka, nasa ang lupalop ka mang parte ng mundo, you can do the business. So we are in the right business. It's easy, it's simple, it's coffee. It's OrganoGold. So pasok ka sa 5 fast-growing industries. So dito sa OrganoGold, we have the product, yung health and wellness. So maraming tao, ayaw nilang tumanda, ayaw nilang magkasakit. Okay? So we have the nutraceutical products na makakatulong sa inyo. So we are offering the home-based business. So alam nyo naman, ngayon lumalaki na yung industry ng home-based na gusto ng mga tao, kahit nasa bahay ka, pwede mong gawin yung negosyo. Lalo na kung ikaw ay working mom or nasa opisina ka, kapag ka break time mo, gusto mong magkaroon ng extra income, so you can do this business. At ang good news, yung aming pong mga products ay makakatulong din siya para gumanda ang iyong pangangatawan. So nakakatulong siya pang weight loss. So using internet, you can buy the products. Pwede kang makipag-transact. Okay, you can join, you can register through online, you can buy through online using your debit card or credit card. And lastly, the coffee business. So meron kaming mga coffee kiosk dito sa Philippines and vendor machine, okay, or coffee shop kung gusto nyo mag-traditional business. So yun po yung mga business ng OrganoGold. So you can capitalize all these industries at the same time. So let's talk about coffee. Coffee is not a luxury, it's a part of daily life, na kung saan this the world most consumed drink next to water, right? So, this is the world's largest traded commodity after oil. So, wag na tayong lalayo. Dito lang sa Pilipinas, we have more than 100 million population. Imaginein mo na lang. More than 90% ng mga Pilipino ay nagkakape. Tama? So, pagkagising mo sa umaga, hinahanap mo kape. 'Di ba? Anumang oras, anuman yung panahon, ilang taon man yung lilipas, yung mga tao nagkakape pa rin. Kaya napakalaki po ng market. So imagine mo guys, dyan lang mismo sa bahay mo, sigurado may kape. Tama? Kung hindi ka man nagkakape, I'm sure may kakilala kang nagkakape. So time of the coffee opportunity. Napakarami na ngayong mga business na nandito sa Philippines at nag-invest like Starbucks. Right? So yung Starbucks medyo social, yung coffee nila dyan medyo mahal. So, meron naman ding medyo affordable yung McCafe. Okay, so we have the Burger King, the Dunkin' Donuts, na dati donuts yung kanilang logo. So, right now, they convert into coffee. So, pagpasok mo pa lang sa kanilang tindahan, okay, sa kanilang shop, amoy kape na. Even yung San Miguel, na dati, puro mga beer yung binibenta ngayon, they have the coffee. Okay? So, marami pang mga company yung naglalabas ng coffee products dahil nakita nila napakalaki ng business. So, the coffee opportunity now, you can offer this coffee of OrganoGold. Ito po isang healthier coffee na kung saan habang umiinom ka, habang sinishare mo sa kapwa mo, pwede ka pang kumita. So, what makes OrganoGold a healthier coffee? So, meron po siyang exclusive and powerful ingredient. So, yan po yung 100% certified organic Ganoderma lucidium. Na kung saan, pagka yun ay ginugal mo, they call it the king of herbs. So, more than 4,000 years of history, yan po yung ginagamit na ng mga Chinese people. Okay? So, tinatawag din siya miraculous king of herbs. At marami na rin po siya mga testimony na makikita nyo rin sa internet. Okay? So, ano ba nagagawa niya? It oxygenates the body. It provides more energy. Supports blood circulation. Okay? Pinapalakas niya yung pangangatawan, immune system. At maganda dito, it supports quality of sleep. So, maganda to sa mga taong merong insomnia. Okay? At marami pang iba. Kung titingnan mo yung ang Ganoderma, tinatawag din nilang red mushroom or herb of immortals, okay, universal medicine, at soup of the emperor with thousands of mistresses, na kung saan nung unang panahon yung emperor, dahil marami siyang asawa, so natuklasan nila yung Ganoderma, ito yung nagpapalakas sa kanya, okay. So every night, dahil marami siyang asawa, nakakarami din siyang pinapaligaya, okay. So that's all. So right now, dito naman tayo sa cultivation. Alam ko naman na nakakarinig na kayo ng Ganoderma. Ano ba yung kaibahan ng Ganoderma ng Organogold sa ibang company? So sa ibang company, yung cultivation nila naka-capsulated. So yan po, naka-plastic. So nasa loob lang siya ng isang room. Okay? So yan po nila pinapalaki yung Ganoderma. So pinapalaki nila yan 3 to 4 months. Okay? So pwede na nilang i-harvest yung Ganoderma na kung saan limited yung nutrients na nakukuha ng Ganoderma. So dito naman sa Organogold, i-compare mo siya. So this a natural logwood cultivation, more than 30 years old na logwood. Okay, yun po yung nilalagay nila sa ilalim ng lupa, doon po itinatanim yung Ganoderma. At yan po ay nakatanim din sa bundok, sa virgin forest sa China, sa Mount Wuyi, na kung saan pati yung tubig, it's a natural, okay? So, galing po yan sa bukal. So, hina-harvest po yung aming Ganoderma ng Organogold. Tumatagal po siya ng 8 months to 1 year, okay? At ang good news, ang Organogold lang din ang nakakapag-produce ng spores. Yun po yung mga buto ng Ganoderma. So, 8 times more powerful dun sa bunga, no? Ng Ganoderma, okay? So we are building for the future. Ang good news, so lahat ng mga certifications sa iba-ibang country, so pasado po tayo. We have the kosher, the GMP, the halal, okay, the Japan, and USDA. So Organogold ay nakipag-partner po sa pinakamalaking Ganoderm farm sa buong mundo na nasa China po yan, okay? So, at ang good news, Organogold is proud to have the first ever exclusive strategic collaboration with the Napoleon Hill Foundation. It's renowned the World Learning Center. So, ito yung pinakamatandang book na nabasa ng mga naging successful na businessman, okay? So, right now, makikita nyo yung mga book na yan, makikita nyo yung Organogold, okay? So, ano ba yung mga products na Organogold? We have different kinds of products. So we have the beverages, the toothpaste, personal cares, the nutraceuticals products, and many more. So ito yung mga products from US, okay, at dito sa Philippines. So ito pala yung mga available. So right now meron na rin tayong red tea, okay, at I think every month magkakaroon na rin tayong mga iba-ibang bagong products na darating, kaya abangan nyo. Okay, we have the Ganoderma Protect para sa panlaban sa mga lamok, okay? So we have the shampoo, we have the balm, okay? At marami pang mga products na parating. So lahat po yan ay merong 100% certified organic Ganoderma. So maliban lamang po yung ating grape seed, okay? So right now may question po ako. Are you ready to be the next coffee millionaire? Kung ready ka na, okay, tutukan mo itong aming presentation. And lastly, are you ready to drive your own Montero sports car? Yes. Ang gagawin mo lang, change your coffee and it will change your life. So dito, namimigay po ng libreng Montero sports car yung Organogold sa Philippines. At kung ikaw na may taga-US, meron din kaming Ben's Glove. So we have the 7 ways to earn this Organogold. So what we do, ang gagawin lang naman ay bibili ka lang ng aming product package. So after mo binili yung product package, ang gagawin mo sa product, gagamitin mo at ipamimigay mo, ipang-sample mo. Okay? So dahil this Organogold, we share the products, sample products to our customers, At sila din, pagka nagustuhan, ganun din ang gagawin nila. So, every time na nagugustuhan ng tao na bigyan mo ng coffee, so sa iyo sila bibili, at ang good news, meron ka pong replicated website na kung saan mang lupalop ng mundo na merong Organo Gold, pwede silang bumili. Nandito ka sa Pilipinas, may kaibigan ka sa US, ibibigay mo lang yung website mo, they want the business, they can join under you using the website. Okay? Kung gusto nilang bumili ng products, so yung website mo, yun na rin yung online store mo na pwede silang bumili ng coffee. So dito sa Organo Gold, na-apply po namin dito yung power of sampling at yung principle na the more you give, the more you receive. Okay? So number 1, we have the retail profit. So pwede kang kumita dito up to 40% sa bawat products. Pagka ikaw distributor ka na, yung aming coffee, makukuha mo siya ng 315 pesos. Okay, so sa US, I think nasa $17 yan. And customer price is nasa 390. Kung yung isang box na kape, okay, meron siyang 20 sachet, at ipinamigay mo yan, pinang-sample mo yung 20, yung 10 bumili ng coffee, so sa bawat isang tao na bibili ng coffee, may 75 pesos ka. So, sa 10 prospect mo or customer, pwede kang kumita ng 750 pesos a day kung isang araw mo yan nagawa. Okay? So, after 30 days na ginagawa mo yan, you can earn 22,500. Okay? Ito po yung immediate income. So, pwede mo itong gawin araw-araw, anytime you want. At ang good news, pwede mo rin ibigay yung website mo. They can buy our products through your website. So number 2, we have the uni-level bonus. So ito naman is monthly income. Wherein dito sa Philippines po, every time na ikaw nag-avail ka ng products, may discount ka na, may bumabalik pa sa yung 5%. Okay? At kapag ka ikaw naman, may nakuha kang tao na gusto rin magnegosyo ng Organo Gold, so meron ka pa rin 5% sa bawat bili niya. So yun din tao na yun, nakakuha din siya ng kakilala niya na mahilig din magkape, pumibili lang ng product, so meron ka pa rin 5%. Hanggang 3rd level as a distributor, okay, every time na ikaw naman napopromote ka, so lumalalim din yung iyong uni-level bonus. So ang sikreto lang naman po dito, just change your brand. Yung coffee mo, yung sabon mo, yung shampoo mo, yung toothpaste mo, palitan mo ng Organo Gold product. So nagsha-shopping ka lang every month, okay? So maglalaan ka lang ng budget para mag-shopping sa Organo Gold. So, paano po siya? So, ito lang yung projection. Halimbawa, sa loob ng isang buwan, nakapamili ka ng 100 points. Example, yung isang latte, meron siyang 5.5 VB or 220 commission value. So, kinocompute po yung 5% sa CV. So, sa bawat isang box na latte, meron 11 pesos. So, 20 box sa loob ng isang buwan, okay, meron kang 220 pesos. Ngayon, may 10 kang business partners or user ng products. So, meron kang 10 times 220, meron kang 2,200. Yung 10 na yun, kumuha din ng tig sa 10, you have 22,000. On your 3rd level, naging 1,000 po yan. They are duplicating, so you have 222,000. So, hanggang 3rd level lang po yan. You can earn up to 246,000. Imagine niyo guys, no? Nagsasabon ka, nagtutoothbrush ka, every time na umiinom ka ng kape, you have 5%. So number 3, yung ating uni-level matching bonus. So mag-i-start to kapag ikaw naging consultant, so meron kang 10%. At pagka ikaw naging sapphire, okay? So, kapag ikaw naging consultant ka, sa lahat ng direct mo, kung magkano kinikita nila sa uni-level, meron kang 10%. Pagka ikaw naman na-promote ka into Sapphire, meron kang 20% sa lahat ng direct mo, kung magkano kinikita. Paano ba yon? Halimbawa, ako, nakuha niyo ako. So, kumikita ako ng 100, sabihin na natin, 10,000. So, 10% sa 10,000, yung 1,000 pesos. So, yun yung magiging batayan na computation para bibigyan ka ng uni-level matching bonus. Alright? So, pagka ikaw naging Ruby, first level meron kang 20%, second level meron kang 10%. So, Emerald hanggang third level meron kang 10%, At pagka ikaw naging diamond ka, hanggang 4th level po yan. May 10% ka. You can earn up to 50% of the uni-level bonus. Okay? So number 4, we have the generational bonus. So magi-start to kapag ikaw nag-sapphire ka na. So pagka nag-sapphire ka on the first generation, you have the 2% sa total group sales po niya. Okay? So kanina per level, so dito po yung generation, magkaiba po yung level sa generation. Halimbawa, ikaw, meron kang direct, yung first level mo, consultant lang siya. And then the second level, meron doon nag-sapphire. So yung second level mo, siya magiging first generation mo. Okay, so yung pong magiging sapphire, sa ilalim mo, saan man siyang level, yun yung magiging first generation mo. So you have the total, meron kang 2%. Okay? At pagka ikaw naging ruby ka naman, on the first generation, meron ka pa rin 2%, and second generation, meron kang 3%. Pagka nag-emerald ka, hanggang third level, you will earn 4%. At pagka nag-diamond ka, hanggang 4th generation, you have 5% naman. So, number 5, we have the global pool bonus. Ito naman is quarterly income. Ang good news, okay, yung total group sales ng company worldwide, yung 3% on the commission value sa uni level, hinihiwalay po ng company yan at pinapamigay po yan sa mga masisipag. If you become a Ruby consultant, so qualified ka na sa global pool bonus. Sa 3%, meron kang 32%. Yung 32% na yon, paghahatian lahat ng mga naging Ruby consultant. Kapag ikaw na-promote ka into Emerald naman, may additional ka pang 24%. Pagka nag-Diamond ka, meron ka pa rin 15%. Pagka Blue Diamond, 10%. Hanggang Black Diamond, 19%. Kung mapapansin nyo, habang ikaw ay napopromote, lumiliit yung percentage mo. Ang good news, okay? So listen, yung mga pinagdaanan mong mga position, may share ka pa rin po dyan. So ganun po kaganda yung profit sharing sa Oregano Gold. Kaya habang lumalaki yung sales ng Oregano Gold, lumalaki yung profit sharing. Okay, imagine niyo guys, no? Lumalaki yung Oregano Gold, nadadagdagan yung country, lumalaki yung sales, lumalaki yung profit sharing natin. So number 6, ito yung fast track bonus. This is a weekly income na kung saan, so dito na magbabatay naman yung ating package. If you want to join, so ito po yung ating mga builders pack. So you have the gold package. Kung seryoso ka at negosyante ka, okay, I suggest to you this 50,000. Meron siyang 1,000 points. Sa bawat tao na mag-avail sa iyo ng gold package, meron kang 5,000 pesos. Okay, 10%. So, we have the silver package, yung 11,200, you have the 1,200 pesos. At lastly, meron tayong bronze package na 5,600, so you can earn 560 pesos. Unlimited direct po, okay? Kung ilan man yung na-sponsoran nyo. So, number 7, ito yung dual team bonus. Na kung saan, meron kang dalawang team. Dito, you have the left and right. So, ganito po siya. If this is you join Oregano Gold, then meron kang, you are now serious on the business. So, meron kang left group at right group. Okay? So, halimbawa, si Alex, kaibigan mo, mahilig mag-coffee, bumili ng bronze package. Yung bronze po, may 100 points. Sa fast start, you have 560 pesos. Okay? So, on the right team, si Bea, niligay mo siya doon. So, bumili siya ng silver package. So, yung silver package may 200 points. You will earn 1,120 pesos. At ang good news, pagka nabasa ng system na may pumasok 100 points sa left and 100 points sa right, you can earn 800 pesos additional bonus. Okay, so it depends sa package na kukunin nyo. Kung dalawang 200 sa left, 200 sa right, you have 1,600. Kung meron kang 1,000 sa left, 1,000 sa right, you have 8,000. Okay? At ang good news, kung mapapansin nyo, okay, meron ka pang remaining na 100 points from Bea, na 100 points. Okay? So, pag kami pumasok ulit sa left group mo, then babayaran ka ulit ng dual team bonus. So this the number one wealth building principle, the leverage. So yung dalawang nakuha mo, turuan mo rin silang makakuha agad ng dalawa. Okay? So ganito po siya. Sabihin na natin example, gawin natin example yung 50,000 na gold package. Halimbawa, ikaw nag-avail ka ng 50,000. On your first week, nag-sampling ka, okay, may dalawa, nagustuhan yung business on the first week, pumili din sila ng 50,000, okay, so meron kang fast route na 5,000, you earn, okay, meron kang 10,000 pesos. At ang good news, your dual team bonus is 8,000. Sa loob lang ng isang linggo, you have 18,000. Okay, so yung income mo pala dito sa Organo Gold, you can makukuha mo siya on the next following week. Okay, yung cut-off natin every Monday before 3 p.m. Dito sa Philippines. Okay, tuloy tayo. On the second week, yung dalawang na ipasok mo, tutulungan mo ngayon. Okay? Tutulungan mo sila na makakuha din ng dalawa. You will earn 16,000. On the third week, tigda dalawa mo on the second week, nag-duplicate din sila into 4, you will earn 32,000. Hanggang sumapit yung fourth week mo, meron kang 8 sa left at 8 sa right, you earn 64,000. Congratulations on your first month. Ang income mo ay 130,000 pesos. Okay? Imagine mo guys, no? In 50,000 na business mo, after 1 month, kung siseryosohin mo lang din, you will earn 130,000. Tama? Yung 50,000 mo, ko-confirm yan. Ang bili lang naman yan ng gadget or ano man. Diba? Invest mo dito sa Organo Gold. You have the products, you have the website, the global business. After 1 month, siseryosohin mo lang, you have 130,000. So, on the following month, so dito na rin mag-start yung ating monthly maintenance. So kanina sa Unilevel pinakita ko yung monthly repurchase. So kailangan dito every month syempre patuloy yung pagpo-purchase mo ng products. So on the fifth month, on the fifth week, yung 8 mo nag-duplicate into 16, you will earn 128,000. Up to 8 months po yan nangyari, duplication na lang, you earn 1 million. So your total earnings in 2 months, guys, 2 million. Imagine mo guys, in 2 months projection, if you're a serious businessman, sa halagang 50,000, you can earn 2 million. At kung yan, nagtuloy pa on the 9th week, or sa pangatlong buwan mo, okay, kumita ka uli ng 2 million. At maaari kang maging diamond consultant dyan. Okay? And you are now a coffee millionaire. Imagine mo guys, no? Just a simple way of business, just sharing this business, you will earn millions. At ang good news guys, kapag ka yung mindset mo, naka-mindset ka into million, I'm sure, mangyayari sa'yo to. At ang good news, wala tayong flash out. Okay, yung sales up to infinity, babayaran yan. So, it depends on your position lang. Okay? So, no side lock, no walling, it's a global link, seamless. Yung website mo, pwede silang mag-sign up doon online. Okay? Anywhere in the world. So, ito po yung ating proof of income na ginawa dito sa Philippines noong April hanggang May 31, yung Project 50,000, na kung saan si Miss Lilia Bautista ay kumita ng 5 million, si Mr. Vic Daganas kumita ng 2.3 million, okay? At dito naman from Cagayan, itong bata, mother and daughter, na kumita ng 400,000. Si Coach Darren Vasquez ay kumita ng more than 600,000. So it's simple, it's easy positioning. So eto na, dito nyo malaman yung details paano kayo maging diamond. So if you join at meron kayong dalawang nakuha, you are now a marketing associate. The next month or nadagdagan yan, 3 yung recruit mo, you are now a supervisor. Kapag ka ikaw may 5 na recruit in any package, okay, you are now a consultant. To become a software, kailangan mag-develop ka ng 4 na consultant. At ang good news po, okay, yung para ikaw ay maging consultant, maaari mo ring i-avail yung yung 50,000 na gold package, you are now a consultant. Okay? Yung sapphire, 10 lang na 50,000 yan, or kalahating milyon na total group sales, you are now a sapphire. Meron kang 2 consultant sa left at 2 consultant sa right. To become a ruby, kailangan mo lang mag-develop ng consultant. Dagdagan mo lang 3 consultant sa left at 3 consultant sa right. Meron kang 40,000 na RQB. So to become an emerald, kailangan meron kang 4 na consultant sa left, 4 na consultant din sa right, and 80,000 na RQB, or yung rank qualifying volume. So to become a diamond, kailangan mo lang magkaroon ng 10 consultant, 5 sa left at 5 sa right, or you have that 200,000 RQB. Okay, so sum up lang natin, to become a diamond, okay, at least merong 144 na gold package, okay, and 10 directs na consultant. So ano bang mga makukuha mo if you become a sapphire or ruby? So entitled ka na rin sa Montero Club Qualifier. Okay, you are now Montero Club Qualifier. At pagka ikaw naman naging diamond, so ito na may enjoy mo na yung trip to US. So pagka nag-diamond ka, i-award ka sa US, okay, sa abroad. At ito naman yung ating mga bagong diamonds dito sa Philippines. We have 10 diamonds and 2 new black diamond consultant. Okay? At syempre, if you are from US, so dito may enjoy mo yung pinapamili nilang Mercedes-Benz. Okay? And meron din tayong mga luxury cars like Ferrari if you become black diamond sa US. Okay? At may enjoy mo naman dito sa Philippines yung Montero Club. Imagine nyo guys, no? So, yan pa lang yung nakakuha. So, susunod ka na. Okay? At kapag ka ikaw naging top earner ka na dito sa Organo Gold, bibigyan ka pa ng sing-sing na may mga diamonds. So, you are now a ring earners. So, like Mr. Vic Taganas, si Black Diamond na, so meron na siyang ring na $100,000 ring. Okay? So, ito naman yung mga ibang achievement ng mga ibang distributor namin from abroad, like Aaron, Steak Killers. Okay, nakabili na rin siya ng sarili ng chopper. At si Mr. Jose Ardon, our first crown ambassador. Okay? At yan, ito yung mga profit sharing checks nila. So, pinapakita lang namin to just to show you na totoo yung Organo Gold. Okay? So, yan. Si Jose Ardon last year, yung kanyang profit sharing is nasa 4 million. So, right now, yung ating latest event sa Mandalay, Las Vegas, Stan United, yung profit sharing ni Jose Ardon is nasa $5 million. Oh my God! Grabe. No? So yan, ito yung mga top earners all over the world. Okay? At syempre, may enjoy mo dito sa Organo Gold yung 10 years multiple entry US visa. Imagine mo guys, saan ka makakitang business? No? Ine-enjoy mo na yung coffee. Napakasaya nito. Libre trip. Okay? You will enjoy traveling sa US. So, if you are now decided, you can now choose your package. Okay? Pwede ka mag-start sa bronze package na 5,600, or the silver package na 11,200, or the gold package na 50,000. Sa bronze package, so meron yung mga products, okay? At ang good news, so meron din yung replicated website. Okay? Ito yung kapalit na products niya. And then sa silver package, so, medyo maraming products. So, pwedeng-pwede na sa'yo at sa buong pamilya mo. Okay? So, this is the better package. And the best package, ito yung gold package. If you are a serious, I recommend this package, guys. At kung gusto mo maging mabilis ang pagiging diamond, mabilis mo achieve yung diamond, guys, let's focus dito sa gold package na kung saan mas marami kang mabibigyan ng coffee, mas marami kang makukuhang business partners mo agad, right? So dito sa Philippines, so we are offering yung coffee shop, okay? So this is a 1 million investment. So meron din siyang mga coolers, so meron ng coffee shop, and you are now certified OG have sa inyong area kung wala pang brands ng Organo Gold. So we have the traditional din, mga kiosk packages. So we have the pangkabuhayan na 60,000, the classic na 120,000, and the prime kiosk. Okay? So lahat yan is free delivery. So pati yung training as a barista kasama na rin po. And lahat ng mga appliances na gagamitin nyo sa kiosk. And lastly, yung ating bendo machine. So only 16,000 if you avail yung gold package. So we have the 4 step to success dito sa Organo Gold. After you join, kailangan mo lang gamitin mo yung product. Be the product of the product. And then, submit a testimonial sa yung sponsor or sa company. And mag-purchase ka na rin ng 2 box na coffee para magamit mo sa iyong mga event. Okay? So number 2, build a list, contact list. At least meron kang 50 coffee drinkers and 50 business builders. Okay, so paano magagawa ito? Kailangan mo magkaroon ng coffee just mixer. So pwede mo itong gawin sa bahay or sa office, or ito yung tinatawag namin coffee break. Like right now, habang pinapakinggan nyo to, so yung aming mga business partners, okay, so pinapatikim nila yung aming coffee sa inyo. And lastly, number 4, kailangan mag-plug in into a proven success system. At least, mag-commit ka ng 18 months dito sa Organo Gold. And register to our oguniversity.com, and at least every week, meron kang activity. Kayong coffee break, CJM, or just sharing this video sa iyong mga prospects. And kailangan din, syempre, di sa business, kailangan umattend ka rin ng mga trainings, leadership events, okay? Mga grand sales and convention. So, Organo Gold is now providing you 100% correct information how to become successful, okay? We have the system, just follow the system, at nandito kami para tumulong din sa inyo as your sponsor, okay? It's easy, it's simple, it's coffee. So we have the game plan in our team. So right now, pwede ka mag-start today. Just join ASAP. And step 2, kailangan mo i-share yung website mo or the products. Okay, at least our goal on your first week, makakuha ka ng 5 direct mo. Okay, so ganito ang scenario niyan. This is the game plan. In the first week, kung ikaw meron kang 5 napasalis sa silver, sa bronze package dito sa Philippines, you can earn 4,400. So makukuha mo yan the next following week. Or kung ikaw naman meron kang 5 nakuha na silver package, you will earn 8,800. At ang good news, consultant ka na. Lastly, kung gold package na 50,000, you will earn 56,000. Guys, imagine mo guys, no? Ang laki ng difference. Dito ka, mag-concentrate ka dito sa gold package, no? Mas mabilis at mas malaki yung kikitain mo. And the second week, okay, may kita mo, meron kasing left and right. So yung 2, lalagay mo sa left, or yung 3, ilalagay mo sa right. So it depends on you. And then duplication, okay, by 5. On the second week, you will earn 8,000. Sa bronze package, kapag ka sa silver, you will earn 40,000. Pagka sa gold package, you will earn 80,000. On the third week, you will earn 40,000, and you are now a sapphire. Okay? So bronze. Kung silver naman yan, you will earn 200,000. Kung diamond, kung gold package naman, ang napapayin mo, so you are now diamond on the third week. Maganda rito, any package combination, you can do the business. Okay, pero ang goal, okay, at least you are duplicating yourself. Okay, on the fourth week, kapag ka-bronze yan, you will earn 200,000. Sa silver, you will earn 252,400. On the gold package, you will earn 2 million. Okay, your total income, you can earn up to 200,000 up to 2.5 million. Herbert, bakit 5 yung pinakita mo dyan? Paano ka magda-diamond dyan? So guys, no, dito naman sa Organo Gold, at least you have 3 active, 3 leg. Okay, on the first leg, kukunin yung 40%, on the second leg, 40%, and then lastly, yung 20% sa ibang leg mo or the other leg. sa mga ibang direct mo. So ganun po siya. If you are a ruby, at least you have 3 sapphire. If you want to become an emerald, at least meron kang 3 ruby under you. Or if you want to become a diamond, at least meron kang 3 emerald. So yung pa po yung isang option to become a diamond. So this just only, okay, projection income if you do the business in just 1 month. Okay, so now dito na tayo sa ating fast start bonus. If you join our team in the next 48 hours, you can have a free sales page or a website landing page na tutulong sa'yo para i-market yung business. We are the top builder team dito sa Organo Gold. We are a team of internet marketers and home-based business experts na tuturo sa na willing na tumulong sa inyo. Okay, we are giving away free ebooks, mga scripts, okay, video series, mga training, mga marketing tools, a call support, and lots more of materials na kailangan mo. Okay, so pagtulungan natin, or you may call one of our team member na nag-share sa inyo nitong webinar. So lastly, sabi ni Mr. Holton Bags, in life, if you don't get what you want, you get what you picture. Kaya kailangan ngayon pa lang simulan mo ng picturean yung mga pangarap mo, or kunin mo na yung mga larawan ng mga pangarap mo. And imagine guys, no, every time na yan ay tinitingnan mo, nai-inspire ka na makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo. So ito yung aking vision for, okay? That's all. Join Organo Gold and make your dreams come true. Not now, but right now. Thank you very much. And if you have some question, pwede nyo pong i-type dyan sa chat box located at the left of this screen. Okay? So thank you very much. My name is Herbert Flores. See you at the top. God bless.